Hello class. Looking at my screen, there is a website called Intuit or QuickBooks.intuit.com. I'll submit a link to you. This is the tutorial going through the process of using QuickBooks for 30 days. This is a free trial. This will allow you to create some transactions, set up a company, and post those reports to me in a form of a Dropbox submission and be graded. So during this time, you should have access to QuickBooks within the learning course. You will be instructed to visit this website, and once you get to the website, this is what you shall see. You'll put your name, and I'm going to put Jane Doe. Obviously your name shouldn't be Jane Doe. You will have an email address. You need to use your current email. There will be no credit card needed for this. There will be an easy setup for you, and if you have questions, you can get someone to help you. Hopefully you'll ask me if you have any questions. So you'll be able to use this for 30 days. You will enter your email. I'm going to enter you enter that again. You will select a user ID. If you prefer to have your email as a user ID, it will automatically default it for you, and it will also check to see if that email address is already taken. I prefer to use something different, so I used hack and some other number, and I added an email address. Once you do that, you can enter, click on the sign up key, and it will direct you to another screen, which is this screen here. I'm going to put in my password. Okay. Now, I set it up as this company. You set it up with your personal name, etc. Now, the next step is going to put in your company address. Again, it doesn't have to be a real address, so don't worry about your own personal security. You can put in fact, I may put it in your instructions to use this address. You're going to change the company name, and I'm going to call it and this is all for the demonstration. More details will be available to you when you in the instructions. Putting your state, and you're going to put in your telephone number. Don't worry about a logo. Now the next thing is going to be save and next, which will be at the bottom of your screen. I'm going to save it. Oh my goodness. Oh. Get rid of that. Go to save and next. Set up QuickBooks. Again, the industry type is going to be photography. And you're going to sell products and services. The company type is going to be an S corporation. And do you want to import? No, you do not want to import. And for this demonstration and for this class, you're not going to have any employees. How will you get paid? I'm going to say in a form of a check right now, and maybe bank transfer, but don't worry about cash or credit card. That's more complicated and more than we need for this class. You're going to click on save and continue. And right now what it's doing is it's building your chart of accounts and all these main things that you'll need for this company that you decided to establish. This should take a few minutes. You do not have to worry about anything being downloaded on your computer unless you yourself decide to download a report or some information you want to import. But all in all, you should not be using any of your disk space to do this. Once it's done, it should tell you you're ready, good to go. You're going to click on Save and Next on the bottom of your screen. Now it's taking us to the home page of QuickBooks. At this point, I'm going to stop because this is the part that I really want to get demonstrated for you. How do you set up your free account for QuickBooks? And you will see me in the next lesson going over the various transactions that you'll be doing in QuickBooks and the assignments that you'll have to submit. Thanks for listening.